Your business graphics are always speaking for you. The real question is, are they saying the right thing, or are they just being ignored? Here's the truth. Bad design isn't just bad, it's costly. Your message gets ignored, your audience scrolls past, and your competitors, well, they win. Your visuals are supposed to be your first impression. Don't let them be your last. At MarketinGear, we don't just design, we transform. From dull to dazzling, we create mesmerizing business graphics that are tailored to your brand, your audience, and your goals. It's not just about looking good, it's about making an impact. Whether it's logos that define your brand, flyers that grab attention, banners that demand a second look, or social posts that get shared, MarketinGear creates visuals that don't just stand out, they tell your story and drive results. Your business deserves more than forgettable. Choose MarketinGear for graphics that make your business unforgettable. Let's create something remarkable today. Click below to schedule your free consultation and transform your visuals today.